In this video, we're gonna check if Quick Share on Xiaomi 17T works with AirDrop on iPhone. In order to check that, in general, we just have to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, Wi-Fi as well, and of course the AirDrop should be set to everyone for 10 minutes on our iPhone. Now on Xiaomi 17T, we want to simply go to Quick Share. So let's open it, there we go. Now over here we're gonna go to Send, and we should be able to select whatever we want to transfer. So let's say I'm just gonna choose these two example files over here. Now after that, we can try to find our iPhone on this list of nearby devices, but as you can see, it doesn't want to show up. So I think it's pretty clear that unfortunately QuickShare is not working with AirDrop on Xiaomi 17T, at least not yet. It is possible that in the future it is going to work, but right now it doesn't. Now just to, of course, make sure, I'm gonna also use this QR code, and let's try to scan this QR code to see if it is possible to, for example, download the app, sorry, not the app, to download these files that I selected. And unfortunately, no. So sadly, right now, it is not possible to use QuickShare on Xiaomi 17T with AirDrop on iPhone. Leave a like and subscribe.